Hi, my name is Alexa. I'm the owner here at Business Marketing Times 10. I'm a social media marketing expert and I help business owners like yourself grow your brand awareness, your sales, and your revenue through leveraging social media. So you're probably wondering why you're getting this video. I came across your website and your Facebook and I just wanted to give you some advice and some tips onto how to increase the presence of your social media to get those prospects into paying clients, get some more engagement and those types of things. So I wanted to start with your Facebook. You do have over 1,000 people that like your page, which is a really good audience to work with. So you also post very consistently, which is good. One thing I would recommend for your posts is doing more videos. So I would say more along the lines of kind of behind the scenes of what you do. So maybe putting together a bouquet, why you use certain types of flowers, what flowers are best for certain times. Or special occasions or something like that. Or it could just be even like a Facebook Live of you know, working behind the scenes, showing what it's like in the day of a florist. I'm sure a lot of people are very interested in what that looks like. So, like I said, I would do more videos. They get the most engagement. Facebook Lives are very essential. They can work very well in your favor. Another thing I would recommend is participating in a giveaway from your business. So maybe doing like a free bouquet of like $150 in value, or maybe you give away like a free bouquet for a year. So one bouquet for 12 months, which could be like $1,000 value for you guys. I would advertise that on Facebook and capture emails through that. So number one, that's a really good way to grow your email list. You can get hundreds, if not thousands, of emails from that, which would be good for your email marketing and retargeting and getting more sales from that as well. But just attracting more people to your business. So like I said, if you ran a Facebook ad on that, you would obviously only pick one winner, but for everyone else, you could offer like a 10% off coupon or $5 off their next purchase, which obviously gives them more of an incentive to want to, you know, pick from you. So, like I said, good way to grow your likes, your engagement, and definitely your email list. So those are really good things. And if you haven't ran any Facebook ads, this is where you would go to this little drop down menu and then go to create ads. So that's where you go to the Facebook ad manager and you do any type of ad for brand awareness, traffic, conversions, video views, post engagement. There's so many different things that you can do that would be really beneficial for their hyper targeting, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. You could target people that are in relationships, engaged, married, those types of things. Anyone that, you know, obviously would be interested in buying from you on Valentine's Day. I'm sure you're already busy enough on that day, but like I said, more sales, more brand awareness is definitely more beneficial for your business. So moving on to your website, one thing I would recommend, if you can do it on this website, I'm assuming this is a template, but if you can, I would post a landing page right here to capture emails. So this would be another place where you can, you know, grow more emails for your email list, saying here's a $5 off coupon on your next purchase, or 10% off a $75 purchase. Or you can give away a free ebook. There's so many other options that you can do in exchange for an email. So as long as you give something, you're definitely going to get back, which, like I said, for businesses is very beneficial to have a good email list. Another thing I would recommend, maybe look into creating a branding video. So talking about you as an owner, why you decided to become a florist, why you decided to start your own business, why you chose this industry, what it looks like in the day of the life of a florist, or, you know, just talking about yourself so, you know, people know why your business is trustworthy and why they should pick you over a different company, or, you know, just letting people know that you provide quality products and flowers and those types of things. So people are more likely to see like, oh, you're very relatable and trustworthy, like I said, so that they're more likely to choose your business over somebody else in the same area. So that's just one thing I would recommend. And then just moving on to your Instagram, pretty much the same things that I was saying on Facebook. You are pretty consistent with Instagram as well. Just maybe posting more videos behind the scenes of what you do every single day. Just making those videos of maybe you putting a bouquet together. Professional photos are very good, but it's also kind of good to keep it authentic and, just take pictures with your phone or, those types of things. Take a video with your front camera. People like to see authenticity, so that's another thing I would recommend. So yeah, those are just a little pieces of advice that I would give to, like I said, increase your presence on social media to hopefully get you some more sales from those types of things. These are all services that I do offer as a social media marketer. So if you have any questions or if anything didn't make any sense, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to hop on a call with you to see how I can help your business grow. But I just want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.